Welcome to Life Hacks. Welcome to Life Hacks. I'm your host, Mr. G, and I'll be sharing with you hundreds of life hacks over the next year. Running low on phone battery? Put your phone on airplane mode and it'll charge much faster. Need to test a printer? Print the Google homepage. It has all the colors you need to run a proper test and will use almost no ink. If you mess up recording a voicemail, press pound to re-record it. Accidentally close a tab in your internet browser? Press Ctrl-Shift-T to reopen it. Out of AA batteries? You can use a AA battery and fill the gap on the positive side with a small bit of tinfoil. iPhone pictures will be better quality if you take the picture and then zoom in on the saved version rather than zooming in while taking the picture. Your iPhone or Android charging cable with an old pen spring. Want to double the lifespan of your batteries? Standard alkaline batteries, storing them in the freezer, can double their lifespan. 10 foods that will get rid of an upset stomach. Bananas, ginger, plain yogurt, papaya, applesauce, oatmeal, white rice, chamomile tea, chicken broth, aloe vera juice. Reheat leftover pizza on a frying pan. It'll keep the crust from getting soft. Cut your pack of bacon in half for easier baking, cleaner storage, and a better size for making sandwiches. Cut your pack of bacon in half for easier baking, cleaner storage, and a better size for making sandwiches. When it comes to staying awake, apples are actually more powerful than caffeine. This life hack I find impossible to believe. Open your avocados more quickly by placing them in a brown bag with bananas for 24 hours. Trying to cut sugar out of your diet? Freeze bananas. They're much sweeter when frozen, making a great, tasty treat. When you want to put a 2-liter bottle of soda away, shake it up a little first. It will stay fizzy for weeks. Soak Oreos in half and half and lay them on wax paper in the freezer. In an hour, each one will be a delicious mini ice cream sandwich. Fantastic. Ice cream too frozen to scoop? Don't microwave it. Simply run the spoon under hot water. Mosquito bite? Apply a hot spoon onto the spot. The heat will destroy the reaction and the itching will stop almost immediately. Someone has pressed all the buttons on the elevator. You can avoid stopping on each floor by pressing each button again twice. Candles will burn longer and drip less if they are placed in a freezer for a few hours before using. Have a splinter? Pour a small amount of white glue on the area. Let it dry and peel it off. The splinter should come off The splinters should come right out with it. Don't want to be embarrassed when buying something? Buy an inexpensive birthday card with it. Laugh out loud. That's too sad. Got a headache that just won't go away. Take a lime, cut it in half, rub it on your forehead. The throbbing should go away. Want to get rid of bad breath? Brushing your teeth is important, but what's more important is brushing your tongue and gargling. Wrinkly shirt, wrinkly shirt, wrinkly shirt. Throw it in the dryer for 5 minutes with a few ice cubes. You can heal paper cuts almost immediately. Stop the pain by rubbing chapstick on the wounded area. Getting nauseous from reading in the car? Tilt your head side to side and it'll go away. Use a clothespin while hammering. You'll never bang your thumb again.